Here's how to enable order filled sound in TradingView. Before you begin, make sure TradingView is connected to paper trading or a supported broker account. Once connected, open the Trading panel and select the Settings icon to access your trading preferences. Inside the settings, go to the Trading section and find the Execution Sound option. Make sure this setting is enabled. The execution sound is played when an order is successfully filled, giving you an immediate audio confirmation that the trade has been executed. Next, click the Alerts section and make sure alerts and notifications are enabled in TradingView. Keep in mind that execution sounds are separate from regular alerts, but having notifications enabled can help you stay informed about important trading activity. You should also check your browser's sound permissions. Make sure audio is allowed for TradingView and that the website hasn't been muted or blocked from playing sounds. Otherwise, you may not hear the execution sound even when it's enabled in TradingView. After checking these settings, place an order or monitor an existing order through your connected account. When the order is successfully filled, TradingView should automatically play the execution sound. Remember, the sound is triggered when an order is actually filled, not simply when it's submitted or remains pending. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.